Okay, topic 4 is a tax levy on income earned by an individual or a company in Malaysia. A. Road tax, income tax. C. Assessment rates. D. Sales and service tax. Okay, if you work in the company, okay, or you work, open the own company, so the tax will be conducted against you for you to pay your income earned. It's called income tax. So answer is boy. Number 2, what is the purpose of taxation? Sources of government revenue, correct. Number 2, government policy implementation, correct. Number 3, control or sale of goods or service, correct. Number 4, financial tools to stabilize the economy, also correct. This 4 is given in the textbook. Okay, so answer 1D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so for number 3, the following are the types of taxes in Malaysia except income tax we have learned, assessment rate also we have learned, quick rate also we have learned, only agricultural tax we didn't learn. So okay, put answer boy. Okay, number 4, Azalia owns a piece of land measuring 6.5 meter times 24.9 meter to build a residential house. Okay, so for number 4, the meaning is the length and the width. Okay, this is a piece of land. The length is 6.5 meter, the width is 24.9 meter. Okay, the state government has set the rent rate in the area of 40 cents per square meter. That means the rate is 40 cents per square meter or meter square. That is the meaning. Okay, so if you want to find how much quick rent tax does Azalia have to pay each year, so from the question we can create the answer. Okay, so no need to remember the formula. So to get the price, the ringgit Malaysia for the quick tax, okay, so you can multiply the another meter square, that means the area of this one. Okay, and meter times meter is meter square. Okay, so the rate is 40. Okay, the quick tax will be 40 cents times, okay, 6.5 meter times 24.9 meter. So the answer is 64.74. So answer D. Okay, so we can continue with number 5. Okay, number 5. Okay, table shows the private car road tax in Peninsular Malaysia. Ravi owns a private car in Malacca worth a engine capacity 1650cc. 1650cc is between 1601cc to 1800cc. So this is the place. So the basic rate is this one. So the progressive rate, the remaining of the cc, you must add with 40 cents. Okay, so from here I know that the basic rate is 200 plus the subsequent, that means 40 cents for the remainder. Okay, so how to get the remainder? Because just now is 1650cc, so you minus this one 1600cc, so that is the remainder of the cc. You need to multiply with 40 cents. So you will get from calculator 220 ringgit. So answer is no. So we will end question number 1. Mr. Starling has a taxable income of 38,500 in 2020. He has paid zakat amounting to 750. Calculate the income tax to be paid by Mr. Starling for the year. So you must refer to the module, okay, page 56, or the textbook also can. Okay, which one to refer? Okay, so we continue with number 1. Okay, this is from the textbook on the module. This one to refer. Okay, so 38,500 is the charitable income. Okay, taxable income is so called taxable income. It means you need to find the income tax to be paid. Okay, or chargeable income. Okay, income tax to be paid is also called chargeable income. So the chargeable income is this one, sorry. This is the chargeable income. Okay, so you need to find it from here. 38,500 is somewhere over here in the chargeable income area. Okay, so it's the rate is, the basic is the base tax is 600, then the subsequent one you need to use 8%. Okay, so before that you need to know the formula. So income tax payable or income tax to be paid equal to base tax plus tax on next balance, the remaining one, then minus the tax rebate. Tax rebate here is either 400, that means this is 400 what? The chargeable income, the taxable income should be less than or equal to 35,000, means 35,000 and below. Then it's called then you will get the 400 rebate. If not, you won't get the 400 rebate. This one is more, so you cannot get 400 rebate. Also, you can minus for Muslim, it's called zakat or fitrah. Okay, so from here I know is the base tax just now is here 30,600, the base tax, subsequent only 8%. So first one is 600 first, then you add in. Okay, the remaining, how to find the remaining means the 30,500 minus 35,000. Okay, only you get starting 35,001 until 38,500. So minus 35,000. Okay, then times the 8%. Then minus the zakat is 750. Okay, so from here, from calculator, this one is 600. This one from calculator minus already times 8%, so you will get 280 minus the 750. So So calculator again. So this one is the income tax payable. So we look at number 2. Explain the meaning of tax relief for income tax. This is tax rebate. What is tax relief? Okay. Tax exemption such as PCB, KWSP or EPF, personal relief. Example, personal relief will be minus the 9,000 individual. Okay, some government give one, individual can minus 9,000. Then for 1 year, and then you can minus also for computer or laptop or tablet or handphone, and then the internet subscription. Okay, these are all a few examples. Even sport equipment also you can get tax exemption. Okay, then it can be also items or expenses which are not taxed for the benefit of individual or family members. Example, maybe you have children, you can minus the income tax also, or medical expenses for your father or mother using equipment or long-term disabilities or long treatment for medical purposes. Okay, example, EPF or KWSP, medical treatment, education fees. Okay, then we look at number 1. Tax rebates are given to reduce the taxes payable. State 2 types of tax rebates allowed by the government. Just now, as I mentioned, tax rebate got one is 400 ringgit given if your income is less than chargeable income less than 35,000 and below. Okay, zakat or fitrah. So you can write there zakat or fitrah, and then for Muslim only, and then you can write also RM 400 if chargeable income less or equal 35,000. So we are at number 2. What is the difference between road tax and quick rent? So road tax, okay, collected by JPJ, or you can say it's under road transport department. That's road tax. Okay, so what is it for? Okay, maybe you can write, and for vehicle owners, it means it charge towards the road tax is for the vehicle owners, those who buy car, motor, lorry or something else. There's vehicle owners have to pay road tax, not anyone. So if for quick rent, okay, this one is collected by state rent office. Okay, what is it for? Okay, so it's for owner of agricultural land, or also for corporate land, and also for land with building. It means with houses or shop lot this one have to pay rent. Okay, for number one, Amira earns an annual salary of 84,400 in 2020. She is a single mother with 2 children aged 6 years and 9 years respectively. Here are the expenses to be claimed by Puan Amira. Okay, these expenses you can claim, that means you can minus the chargeable income, minus the expenses. Okay, this the tax, you call tax exemption. Okay, so A, taxable income. Taxable income is also say chargeable income. Okay, you need to minus it to get the chargeable income. Only you can refer to the table which percentage you need to the base tax everything. Okay, so this one is taxable income, is also called chargeable income. Okay, what to do? 84,400 minus the individual 9,000 minus the KSSP 5,800 and minus the lifestyle limit is 2,500, so then less than that, okay, you can use this one. If more than 2,500, only you can claim, you can minus 2,500. Then insurance, medical insurance 2,800, less than that, okay, you can take 2,800. Then parental limit 5,000, so it's less than that, so can take 2,100. Now then the card is for that's not for chargeable income. That one is the that is called this one the taxable, no, not taxable, we call the income tax payable. Okay, so minus the child limit 2,000 per person, total 4,000. So because got 2 children, so 2,000, 4,000 minus 4,000. So using calculator, the chargeable income is 59,500. Okay, so B, calculate the income tax to be paid by Puan Amira. Okay, this table will be given in exam. If no table, cannot use. Okay, so you refer to textbook just now or the module. Okay, so this one chargeable income 59,500, so you can refer here. 59,500 is somewhere here. The base tax is 1,800. The subsequent one is 14%. So 40% means the chargeable income is now 59,500. You minus 50,000, then times the 14%. Okay, this is called income tax payable. It means this income tax we need to pay. They will charge us, we minus the tax exemption, so after that you get income tax payable. but you can minus after you add the base tax and also the tax on next balance. You minus the tax rebate, either 400 zakat or fitrah. So base tax plus the tax on next balance minus the tax rebate is the 400 or zakat or fitrah. So you can see that no zakat, but you got no 400, okay, because this one is more than 35,000, okay. So from here the base tax is 1,800 plus the subsequent is now 9,500 sorry, minus the 50,000 times the 14% minus the just now zakat is 600. Okay, so 1,800 plus this one is calculator, we get 1,330 minus the zakat 600. So income tax payable is 2,530. Okay, then we look at C. If the MTD, okay, or is not a PCB, okay, MTD we seldom use. Usually we look at PCB of 350 has been deducted every month. So if every month is 350, if 1 year times 12 months, okay, yeah, the spawn Amira have to pay the balance of the income tax. If the PCB is more than this one, then we don't have to pay. The income tax income tax people will pay us state, they return the money. Okay, if less than that, then we have to pay, because the PCB is accumulation of the what they estimate that you need to pay income tax for the year. They deduct first for you, so that easier, so that you don't have to pay a big sum by end of the next, by after 1 year. Okay, it won't be a burden for you suddenly. So PCB for 1 year, 1 month is deducted is from your pay 350, so times 12 months become 1 year. Okay, so 1 year is 4,200. It's more than that. You already pay more than that. Usually it won't be so too far difference. Okay, if not they will gain the interest. So you can write down the reason. PCB, your PCB is 4,200. It's more than the required tax to tax the tax payable. So one, Amina does not have to pay the balance.